Hey guys, Matt here with BuiltRight. As you can see, I'm at the bed of our 2024 Raptor. Today I'm going to install a RealTruck Revolver X4s tonneau cover just like we did on our 23. Let's get into it. Alright, so like most other similar tonneau covers, we've got the two kind of like track systems that mount to the bed rails. We're going to mount those up with some of these nice clamps from RealTruck. The front ones, I've pre-installed the straps here into the clamp. This strap is what retains that cover once it's rolled up. I've got the cover on the floor over there, so the first thing I'm going to do is get these bolted up. And then I know there's some kind of micro adjustments that we're going to need to do, so I'm not going to tighten anything down too far. Let's get into it. We've got the side rails installed. We're about to put the actual cover itself on, but I thought I'd show you this. This is kind of a cool mechanism. The way it works is you unroll it down the rail, and then when it gets to the bottom here, it pushes on this, which brings out this flange, which runs all the way from the front to the back of the cover and locks in under these little teeth that the cover has. So it's, from a security perspective, it's being held down here just like it's being held down here, which is different from the fabric covers that I've had in the past. And frankly, some of the trifold stuff. So that's kind of neat, just kind of fun to play with that mechanism. With that, we've got our tonneau cover on. Once again, that's the RealTruck back Revolver X4s. Great cover, we like this. You saw, pretty easy to install. So that's taken care of. I think what I'm going to do next is I pulled the decals off the side. I'm going to kind of wipe off the panels a little bit and apply this like sealant that I've been using that I really like. And then do the same thing on the doors before installing some BuiltRight graphics. I think this is test vehicle number 16. So I'm going to cut that vinyl right now and we'll get installed.
Yeah, baby. Look at you. This is our new favorite toy, right?
Love it. Satisfying.
Oh, so that's how you get it started. All right.
With that, we've got the back Revolver X4s from our friends at RealTruck installed on our 24 Raptor. We've got the BuiltRight decals on the side. We're ready to hit the ground running with this thing. Check back next Monday.